Microsoft Surface Book 2. Now, for those of you who do not know or aren't aware, Microsoft Surface Book 2, as the name suggests, is a product by Microsoft. It's basically a laptop, but it can also change into iPad, not an iPad, but yes, a tablet. So you can say it is a convertible on the car type, but yeah. Anyway, so it's around 6 p.m. right now, and I have to go to the pier for another video that I'm shooting right now. So I'm just gonna open up this box and show you guys what's inside it. How does my laptop look, because the lighting is all good and I look nice. So I actually did this video once before, but I just had a terrible time. It's like 5 minutes ago I was shooting the same video, the unboxing video, and it is so sad that my phone memory was full, so the notification came of storage full and the video stopped shooting. You can see I have it right here. I did the whole, I unpacked the whole thing and I shooted the whole video, and after I was done talking and blabbering, I came over to the phone to see how did I do, and to my surprise there was no video, no evidence that I had done this before. It is very sad. It was a very nice video, I believe. It was all first reaction, so you would have gotten now I know what's inside the box. I know what's here, what's there, and where is the power button. I didn't know that earlier, but anyway, you gotta do what you gotta do. Now, without any further ado, I'll just go ahead and I'll open this. I love it. I have been a fan of it since 2018, that's last year. It came out in 2017, but not many people knew about it. I don't think a lot of you still know about the Microsoft Surface Book 2. There's not a hype about it, but there totally should be. It's so pretty. I'll just show you guys. Pretty. I just sounded like a crow. Never mind. So here it is. Here's the whole deal. The whole Microsoft logo going on here, and here it's written Microsoft over here. I don't know if you can see it. And now, if I open this bad thing, prepare to be amazed. Now, traditionally, all the laptops have power buttons right here. But there's a delete button. There's this button that does something very special, and I'll tell you what it does in later this night. I'll probably compile both the videos. In this segment, I'm just unboxing it. In the next segment, I'll tell you why should you buy it, why did I buy it, and all the specs. I'll open it, I'll switch it on, I'll do my work, and I'll tell you guys how it's done, how you should be doing it. Right now, it's here. You open it, you close it, and there's this design right here. For some people, it's very disturbing to see how there's a space, there's a gap in between, but for me it's pretty nice. I'm just holding back to say words because I've been told to do that. Not many people appreciated the last time I said inappropriate words, so I'll just show you. Here is the power button. If you can see, it's right here. This is the volume button because it turns into a tablet, so there's the power button on the screen. Now I'm just gonna try to open this. I don't know if this will, because in the earlier video that got deleted, of course, that didn't shoot at all. I tried to open it, but it didn't open, switch on. I don't know why is that right now. Maybe I'll charge it and then you'll see. But yeah, alright, so that's what happened in the last video that didn't get shooted. didn't get shooted. That didn't get shooted. Oh, I'm very sad about that. Anyway, so yeah, this is there in the box. This is here. This is the charger. Like this. And there we go. This is the adapter thingy. I'm not sure what they call it. And here's this. Now let's see. Apart from this, there's a manual, a user manual. Microsoft Surface. Look, I finally got it. Hey guys, I am back. I'm in Davis. I have reached my university and I'm coming to you live. Well, not exactly live, but anyway, in my last video, like 30 seconds ago, I forgot to show you this, which I also bought along with this. It's always a pleasure to introduce my Surface book to you guys. Anyway, so I brought this. This is the Microsoft Surface Pen Stylet. It's weird they didn't write stylist. Anyway, so I haven't unpacked this right now. Till now, I was waiting for you guys. Like, yeah, I want to do everything on camera. So I got this for $99.99. It's a bit expensive, yes, you would say that, but not really. Plus, if you're using the laptop, you've got to be using that pen. There we go. And now for the laptop, which you didn't get to see that it opens. Here it is. Here I go and press the button, and there it is. Finally, my laptop opened up. I'm just gonna sit like this so you guys can see. Hopefully I won't fall off the chair. It opens with Face ID, so right now it's scanning my face and it just opened up. I was telling you in the last video that this button does something very special. I'm just gonna show you guys what it does right away. I press it and here is our convertible. I don't know if you guys can see me. Just press it again. Now it's ready to detach. Yep, and here it comes off. And now we have this, which is of no use for now. And we have this, our laptop in tablet mode. No. So why I bought this laptop was mainly because of this thing, that it converts into a tablet, which is pretty convenient for a college student like myself. I'm currently studying civil engineering with majors in environmental engineering. So being somewhat of a future environmentalist, I wanted to go paperless, and this is how I do it. With my iPad, with my tablet and my pen. I'll just take notes here. Filhal, I am not gonna use Evernote because it needs to be set up, and I haven't set up yet. And I want this video to be short. I have received some insights saying my videos are long and I talk too much, like I'm doing right now. So I'm gonna stop talking. So you go with this sketch pad. Here's a drawing which I didn't draw, but it's nice. Well, anyway, I'm gonna take up a new paper. Oh no, I just copied. Yeah, and here I'm gonna use it like this in my classes, just to tell you guys. And then right, today was I have a very bad handwriting. Great day. So here I will write it like this. So here, let me show you how to erase it. See, it erases here. Did nothing. Just yeah, this is pretty convenient. And I'll just show you guys the surface. You know, the laptop is so nice. What happened was when I was setting it up, Cortana, the Google Assistant, it's like Siri for Microsoft stuff. She appeared and she walked me through the whole setting up my laptop, and then they asked me to like log in, and I did. And what happened was when the screen came, my home screen came. Like, so I use a Lenovo laptop at home, and my wallpaper and that laptop appeared in this one magically. Like, I was so amazed, I was so shocked. Like, you can see for yourself. Alright. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh shit! Oh! Okay guys, I'm freaking out right now because this is the home screen that I use on my laptop, on my other laptop, which I left back at home for my sister to use and my parents to use. Oh my god, I can't believe this. They even changed the home screen. Whoa! I'm freaking out right now. Okay, now if you can see it, so there's me, there's my sister Shiza, there's my sister Mahapachi. Wow, yeah, this is so sweet, yeah. This is so sweet. I totally did not expect this. Nice. Okay, fine guys. So this is my laptop, and oh yeah. Okay, fine. Maybe I'll show you guys in a better setting. But yeah, I'll show all of it in a better setting. Bye. Anyway, one of the pros of this laptop is that when you want to use it as a tablet, you have such a big screen that it's pretty nice and pretty convenient. You can take this to anywhere you want. Plus, if you want to keep this, like if you want to keep this and use this as a tablet, it's totally fine. You can also do that. Or if you just don't have any space to keep their keyboard, you can also go ahead. Traditionally, you would just wait. Let me just keep my pen there. Okay, whatever. So traditionally, you go about it like this, and it goes like this. But if you want to use this thing in tablet mode and still want to keep your keyboard, you can do like this. Just detach it. Just a minute. Detached it. It's pretty light, but not very light, I would say. I mean, I can't take it off with one hand, so that's one thing. You know, I'm using the table to keep my phone on, so it's a bit inconvenient for me to like how I make a review myself. Anyway, please appreciate this, my hard work. Also, you go, yeah, so I was telling you, this can go like this, and then you go like this, and there it is. So hot. I look like a saleswoman in this video. I totally have been looking like one since the starting. I know. I'm really sorry. Like, I'm not sorry. This is a pretty great laptop and I love it, and it's my laptop. I'm hyped about it. So that's all for now, guys. This was my laptop, which is pretty great. If you're on a budget, then you can go two versions of these. Like, you should not buy a Microsoft Book if you are on a budget. You should buy a Microsoft Pro. Those are very cheap. Those are nice. And if you're not on a budget and you're looking to buy a fancy laptop, this is the deal for you. You don't have to go mainstream and be like, oh, I'm a rich kid, I'm gonna use Apple. Or both of my sisters have Apple, like MacBooks, and they're not that great. Plus Microsoft has everything. It's better connectivity. You can even like connect this to your phone. I have an iPhone 10. Yeah, iPhone connects pretty easily to a Microsoft. You can transfer files. You have iTunes in this laptop, so it's pretty convenient. So all in all, 5 out of 5 from me. I will also do a video in about 3 months after using this every day to work, to college, and I will tell you my honest review about this then. like I openly said about MacBooks right now, that this is the new deal. This is the new future. Face it. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, and tell me your views, tell me your honest opinions, tell me where I can improve, and I will do so. Thank you so much. Bye guys.